Hello everyone, welcome back to the iTunes Fanboy. Today I'm going to be showing you unboxing this Blink Outdoor battery-powered security camera 5-camera system, which my mother got for Prime Day for my house. So as you can tell, she paid $188.99 for it, though, for this alone, but she was able to get a $10 Echo Show 5 with it, which I will also be unboxing, but in a different video. But as you can tell right here, this is the Blink Outdoor system, and so this is the 5-camera system. This usually retails for $379.99. So right here on the, as you can tell on the front of the box, it says Blink Outdoor battery powered security cameras 5-camera system. It's got a little battery indicator with positive and negative ends. Here's the 5 cameras with microphones. 2-year battery life. They deliver 2-year battery life. They're weather resistant. They give day and night HD view. They have 2-way audio and motion detection, and they work with Alexa. And I do apologize if I activated your Echo. So right here, as you can tell, it gives some more information. It's copyrighted in 2020, so that's when it was last updated. Here's their address, which is in Seattle, huh? Their tech specs are, these are the tech specs. They require high-speed internet, at least 2.4 gigahertz networks. You can use iOS, Android, or Fire OS. And this is the battery life, again, 2 years. And on this side, as you can tell, you can store it over the cloud with a subscription plan, or you can do local storage. And then as you can tell right here, it just advertises some more stuff like 2-year battery life, day and night HD view, 2-way audio, and motion detection. You can customize some motion zones so you can be alerted to what matters most. Here it just says Blink Outdoor at the tops. And then on this back side it says Blink Outdoor battery powered security cameras. Protect what matters most, inside and out. Blink Outdoor runs for up to 2 years on a single set of batteries. Use it day or night, rain or shine. So now, without further ado, let's stop wasting time talking. Let's actually get to what you're here for, the unboxing. So first up, I've got to find weak point in the plastic, or some sort of hole. There it is. And then you just tear it open. I'm not the greatest at tearing plastic, but this is how I do it. This box, the only thing that I do feel a little suspicious about is how come this end is not fully in, which again could just be that I'm used to Apple boxes, but I've never seen Amazon boxes do that either, as Blink is an Amazon company. So it just slides open like this, similar to many Kindle fireboxes. So right here we've got the actual stuff. So here we've got our boring manual that no one needs. They offer tutorials and such. Here we've got our Blink Sync Module 2, which I'm just gonna go and take the plastic off. As you can tell, I think this is actually to sync the Blink cameras up. Here we got a couple of screws for screwing those in. And oh, something that no phones come with anymore. What could it possibly be? A power brick, perhaps? I know I'm joking, but alright, let's just try this plastic off. Okay, there I go. Here we've got some more screws. And here we've got the charger, which is a micro USB, okay, not USB-C. And here we have a small mount. Oh yeah, so this is some pretty basic stuff. here. Okay, now here we've got one. Here, looking at the other stuff, we've got some more mounts. I'll just put those in the back of the box. They're not interesting. And then here we've got one of the cameras. And batteries underneath. Okay. Here we got the charging port of the Blink camera. And why won't this go back in? Okay, so this part requires a screwdriver. Okay, I have screwdrivers by me, but I won't bother to put batteries in these right now because, again, these are my mom's. These technically belong to my mom. This is kind of a little. Here we've got our own little mount and 2 batteries. We'll just set all those back in as they should. And then we've got another camera to unwrap. Again, this is boring wrap that. Well, actually they do for probably protection. And all these Blink cameras are packaged the same, which I find pretty funny. But again, I am used to Apple packaging where they do pay attention to detail, so, you know. Alright, here I've got another camera. This is the next to last one. Oh, that we have to. This is kind of rubbery plastic, I will say. Yeah. All Blink cameras should be packaged like this. I should have an easy time getting all these out. I mean, after all, I think these are certified for humans, which is, yes, a real thing that Amazon has with their gadgets, where they basically certify that it will be easy even for the non-tech savvy people to get set up. Oh, they don't. Oh, the charging ports aren't supposed to be all the way in. Okay, now I know that. Okay, so now if we put the manual back in, because I know my mom's gonna want to see everything that came with the box. We can just do what we previously did, and as I get the plastic off this stupid thing, we can just place this back in, and there we go. Thank you all for watching this YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, please smash that like button down below and please subscribe to my channel. As always, I'm the iTunes Fanboy, and peace out.